Hey, have you ever felt like your desk setup was just blah? Wires everywhere, nothing cute, nothing convenient. Yeah, I felt the same way. I wanted something that actually looked good, worked without all the clutter, and didn't feel like every other boring keyboard out there. That's when I came across the wireless keyboard and mouse combo from No SQT. And listen, it's everything. It comes in 31 colors. Yes, 31. So there's no way you're not going to find your vibe. And the keys, they're round, they're soft, they have this retro type look, and then like when you click them, they make this cute little tippity tappity noise. Nothing too like annoying or anything like that, but just ASMR type vibes. It's really dope. It connects instantly with the included USB receiver, and it works across multiple devices. The mouse is smooth and quiet. It fits comfortably in your hand, and it's just the bomb. Whether you're working, you're studying, gaming, or you just want your space to feel more fun and functional, this combo does the job. I am super duper happy with it.